Hi, BXers, I'm Danny. Have you noticed your hair getting thinner over time? Like your volume is disappearing and your strands feel finer. If you're in your 30s or 40s, you're definitely not alone. A lot of people think, maybe a salon has the answer. But when you actually look into it, you realize hair extensions at a salon can easily cost $800 or more. And that's just the starting point. But here's what most people don't know. You can get that same longer and fuller hair look at home by yourself without paying salon prices. That's where clip-in hair extensions come in. Clip-ins are one of the easiest ways to instantly add length and volume. No glue, no salon appointment, no commitment. Most of our customers can put on a full set in about 5 to 10 minutes. Even if it's your first time ever trying extensions, you can usually finish in around 15 minutes. Now, if you're new to this, you're probably wondering, okay, but which one should I buy? Because the prices are all over the place. You'll see some sets on Amazon for around $70, and then you'll find luxury brands that cost $400 or more. Here's the truth. If it's your first time, going super expensive isn't always the best idea, because you may not fully enjoy the value until you know what you're doing. But going too cheap is also a problem, because many low-cost options use synthetic hair, and it often looks fake immediately. So if you remember just one thing from this video, remember this. Look for 100% Remy Human Hair. With Remy Human Hair, if your color match is right, the extension blends so naturally that it looks like your real hair. In everyday life, most people won't be able to tell. It's that seamless. And if you're looking for the best value option in 100% Remy Human Hair, this is where Barely Xtensions comes in. Barely Xtensions keeps prices lower by minimizing marketing costs and simplifying distribution, so you can get the same quality as other brands without paying premium brand pricing. So if this is your first time buying hair extensions, and you want something that looks real, blends beautifully, and doesn't cost a fortune, I recommend starting with Barely Xtensions. So if you want to get started, check the pinned comment for the Barely Xtensions purchase link down below.